YouTube, how you doing? Scott Off-Road. Well, we're just finishing up the Mission to Haiti Jeep. I've got a couple more things to do, but I'm not going to do videos on them. Basically, all that's left is when the new hatch for the rear arrives, if it's white, just installing it and hooking up the keys and making sure all that works. If it's not white, we're just going to scuff it up, rattle can it, get it white, get it ready to go down to Haiti and do the locks as well. And then I'm also supposed to get a fuse panel cover and a knee panel for the Jeep as well, and when that all ships in. Other than that, other than changing the fluid on the transfer case, we're pretty much done. I don't know, we're going to talk to Mission to Haiti, see if they want to do an add-a-leaf to the Jeep. The back end has settled down to level. The Jeep sits level right now, but if you load it up, I'm afraid it might start to sag a little bit. And I know they've talked about add-a-leafs in the past. And then maybe a oil transmission service, but really that's it. So we're going to go ahead and do a quick walk around on the Jeep, show you the final, what's been done, and kind of get it ready to go. Please don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. So let's take a quick look around the Jeep. Again, just a recap of the headliner. We went with the puzzle pattern just to make it fun for the kids when they're reaching in and talking to us in Haiti. Starting in the front of the Jeep, we did a rock hard front bumper. We did the rock hard differential skid plate. We completely rebuilt the front end, so U-joints, bearings, ball joints, tie rods, tie rod ends. The Rusty's 3-inch lift included an adjustable track bar. The Rusty's lift also included upper and lower control arms, extended brake lines, front shocks, stabilizer, and front springs. The back included rear springs and shocks. We took the roof rack off of my TJ, installed that, donated that to them, let them get some use out of it. New wheels and tires, some True Track MT Thunder tires, 31 1050 15s. A rock hard rear bumper with swing out and jerry can holder. And then we did the rock hard fuel tank skid plate, just to give us some protection while we're in Haiti in case they back over something. New muffler. Also did brakes in the front end. Underneath the hood, there's not much to see, but we did new motor mounts, plugs, plug wires, cap, rotor, air cleaner. We adjusted the idle, so it idles a little faster for down in Haiti. Again, just another shot of the headliner. We got a scissor jack for inside the Jeep. We got them, again, the high lift jack from Bloomfield Manufacturing. Thank you very much for helping us out on that. I think that's pretty much it on the walk around. There's not a whole lot to her, but she's ready to go. I do want to get some brackets for hooking up the high lift and lifting it, lifting the front or the back of the Jeep. I also am looking at a jerry can for it. But really, that's all we've done. She's ready to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Happy Jeeping and have a blessed day.